Lucky, I just remembered the visor and the mirrors are in the backpack, which needs to go along with the bike. So this is how the Tiger is packed to be shipped to Bangalore. It is 13th of July, time is 7:42. We are in Leh, and this is not Zamba line. We are in, what is this place, dude? Royal Holidays.
Royal Holidays.
So we came here on the 11th of July. Yesterday was only shopping and packing preparations, bike wash and all that. I have my tools in my hand. I am going down. You finish your movie and come down. This is just the neighboring building from Zamba line where we used to stay. We actually went there, but the rooms were full. So they arranged stay for us in this place. I spend most of the time there. I just come here in the evenings. So here is the motorcycle, all washed. It's quite clean. It's not the cleaning that I would normally do, but this is good enough. So now I have to remove the mirrors, I have to remove this mobile holder, and he's asked me to remove this visor also. I don't know where to keep it after I remove it. Let's see. It can go into my backpack. I have to remove all this stuff. Ouch. So I got the visor out, I got the number plate out and its stand. I just have to remove these two. I don't think I need to remove these two bolts. I'll just leave them there with this clip, which slides into that slot for the adjustment. How do I carry this? I gotta figure out. Now this is how it looks. I hope they don't break this. That's my fear now. I'll remove the sides as well. There are two bolts, this one and this one. Just have to get those off. I don't think I have the right tools for it. That's the trouble now. I don't know what to do about these. I have to find a way to do it. This is how it looks. I removed this, but once I remove all these 4 and 2 more, 6 bolts, there is another plastic frame which is connected to this. So I have to remove all this, which is going to be trouble. So we'll try to pack that. It's actually very, what do you say, I don't know, irritating to send the bike. It's better to ride the bike. I removed parts of the motorcycle as I showed you earlier. Both of us are ready. We are going to drop the vehicle at the parcel office. So let's get on the motorcycle and start riding. The Tiger fueling up the Himalayan. We just removed fuel from the Tiger and we anyway have to empty the tank. There is a lot of fuel in this vehicle actually. It still shows half tank. I don't know how to remove it. We tried to remove it to the pipe, but only that much came out. So anyway, need that bike. We'll have to go there, leave this, and both of us will come back in that. We'll keep that for the day and return that in the evening. Am I forgetting anything? We got this stickers from Leh Market. Where's the other one? Yeah, here. Kardungla top, 17,582 feet. Feels like a naked bike now. I wasn't able to remove these two because I don't have one tool for that. We'll see if some. Ready? No Sena, dude, remember. We don't have Sena, we have to shout at each other. Hey. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, lucky I just remembered the visor and the mirror are in the backpack, which needs to go along with the bike. I have become familiar with the roads here. A lot of female riders also only. I spotted a couple. Feels nice to ride like this. ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬಂತು, ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. 4 ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಇದೆ. It's come to reserve. Good enough. You don't have to worry too much. I don't have to sit and pull out too much fuel. Even then, actually, the guys at the parcel office will. They're supposed to empty their tank. Just keeping my fingers crossed, hoping the bike comes in good condition, the same way it gets packed. Next we'll reach the parcel office and I'll show you how the packing is done, and I'll explain to you the process as well. कहाँ लगाऊं? Even while getting your bike, did you get shipped it here?
Shifted to Mumbai.
You're from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
I rode it from Mumbai only.
Okay, you rode it from Mumbai, sending it back. Same thing. I rode it from Bangalore, sending it back.
Yeah. How much time did you take to?
No, I took time. I came slowly.
We started on 1st July.
1st July. I started on 20th June. I had a long trip. We're here at Safe Express. You see, problem is the bike is inside. We have another BMW as well. Another rider who's come to ship his bike to Mumbai. Right to go. Side left to go. They have some shipment come in. So we have to wait until that vehicle goes. We'll go get some water. So he is the guy you need to contact at Safe Express. अरे जो भी किया वो सब नीचे है. मैं भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अभी. वीडियो बनाऊंगा और दिखाऊंगा. So he is the guy who is going to pack our motorcycle and make sure it reaches safe. So there is one bubble wrap layer, then foam layer, cardboard layer, and wrap.
Right, you go land up.
You see what is going? You go.
Indigo na, Indigo.
Yeah, Indigo. So this is how the tiger is packed to be shipped to Bangalore. Okay, now we just trust the process. And this is the BMW GS 850 which is packed along with us. Tata, bye bye. We'll see you in 15 days. They said 10 to 15 days it takes. Depending on that, it will reach Bangalore. Next, documentation. Tag. My tag is ready. I have to go stick this on the motor. Tape to go along. Bill is generated. I can't make payment. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ? ಹಾಂ ಇದೆ. ಇಡಿ. ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು. ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ವೋ
ಅದು ಅರ್ಧ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಚೆಕ್. Okay. Hope it doesn't get wet or damaged. Packing is complete, payment is done. So you have to make payment online. There is no cash or card payment. You have to make payment only via the scanner provided in your Waybill. And what else details do I share? Yeah, the amount. It costed me 9,300 rupees, 9,200 change to ship. That is the basic freight and GST charges. And for the packing that we did specifically, I paid 4,000 rupees. So these are two things. Apart from this, what else do you want to know? If I have left out something or you want to know some details, do mention in the comment below. So lunch is over, nice lunch. The time is 16:43. No other plans for today. We just go to the room. We have some more packing to do. We'll finish that packing and go to bed early because tomorrow early flight to Bangalore. So I think I'll finish this video here. Anything else for today?
Huh?
Anything else for today? Close. Day chapter khatam. So until the next one, take care and stay safe.